you. I am Saikat Sinha Roy, and today I want to say something those aspirants who are taking preparation for the government job. And first of all, I am Saikat Sinha Roy, and my heartfelt thanks and regards to Mr. Babita Sutodho sir, who has given me this platform today. And today I want to say something how English is important in our daily life. Guys, do you know that English is very important nowadays because communication skill is very important. Numbers of multinational company is hiring those who are good in English and who have a good English knowledge, because communication skill is important. Why? Because they are just dealing with a US and UK client. So if you are looking for a job, then you should know English. You should have a good English knowledge. If you belongs to a Bengali medium school, that's not a big issue, because numbers of students are convent students are not able to speak in English, but they are just when they learn the English, after that they are speaking well. And for Bengali medium school also same for the Bengali medium school. If you learn the spoken English, then you can able to speak in English fluently, but you have to acquire more knowledge in English. You have to know how to you have to think in English, then you can speak in English very fluently. Guys, I am telling you that if you are taking preparation for the government job, so you have to know the English, because without knowing English, you will not able to crack the examination. And I will tell you that first of all, if you want to learn good in English, so you shouldn't have the unfair expectation from yourself that if you go on the stage and if you in front of the 10,000 people, 14,000 people, if you in front of two people, I am not telling you that elevated platform. If you speaking in front of two people, there is one person people, they are very vocal about their views. They will check your accent, they will check your pronunciation, they will check your fluency, but that's not at all. Actually, if you focus on yourself, if you focus on the 99% people, then you can able to speak in English very fluently. If you are speaking in front of your colleagues, if you are speaking in front of your friends, that means you are a public speaker. Public speaking is not an easy skill, because if the public speaking were easy, then every English teacher would have been a good English speaker. Because public speaking means you are sharing, your intention is to share your values with the world, and that is the main thing in English. Then you have to learn the spoken English. So if you want to learn the spoken English, one information I have, that a good student today's date with English, a good student today's date without English will not get a job, but average student today's date with good English will get a job very easily. That is the issue nowadays. So you have to learn English properly. You have to very careful about English. I am not telling that forget your mother tongue. Yes, never forget your mother tongue, respect your mother tongue, but when you are learning a new language, new skill, then you have to more focus on it. Please listen to me that speaking in English, it's a skill. If it's a skill, then it has to be a system. And remember it that it's a simple skill, but every simple thing is not easy. Every simple thing is not easy. If I talk about the morning work, so it is simple skill, but it is not easy. If I talk about that earning money, it's a simple skill but not easy skill. And same this, that if you are learning spoken English, it's a simple skill, but there has to be a system. If you want to learn a system, then you have to join a spoken English institute. And I will strongly recommend you. Yes, I am from JTS Institute, and I will strongly recommend you just join JTS Institute. And it is very easy to join from your home, because you can upload your JTS application from Google Play Store, and you may contact with sir by collecting from Google Play Store and Google website. Okay. And if you join JTS Institute, after joining here, you will see that numbers of Bengali medium school students are speaking fluent in English enough. They are very fluent in English, and they don't bother about those who are negative people. Okay, they are just speaking well, very well. So that is my issue. That is my intention to share the what is happening nowadays. If you are looking for a job, and if you after graduation, if you are sitting in your home, and if you are looking for a job, if you are still unemployed, so numbers of companies, I don't mention their name. If you search on Google, you will find it, I think. And if you search on Google, you will find it. Just join JTS Institute. After that, you will become a good English speaker. You will become a good public speaker. and you will learn English very fluently. That is all about J3S Institute. So please join with us as soon as possible. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching this video.